A dairy worker in Texas recently contracted the bird flu. Now this is raising questions about the safety of our food supply.
Yeah, experts say, though, that there is no real reason for us to worry and that dairy and poultry are safe. But our Blake Brown is working for you tonight to get answers and is at Three Kings Poultry in Weslaco. Blake.
Thanks, Derek. This strain of high-path bird flu made the jump to humans from birds through dairy cattle. The Texas Animal Health Commission says the strain originated from wild birds after genetically sequencing the strain. Dr. Thomas Langford says since Texas lies in the path of a significant number of migratory birds, the state should remain wary.
This current virus has been circulating in the wild migratory bird population since late 2021, and since Texas lies in the central flyway for migratory birds, there's always a risk that this virus could spill out of the wild birds and into the domestic poultry.
He says the transmission from birds to cattle is new and unprecedented from this strain.
So from a cattle perspective, this is a new presentation. This is something that is, since it was detected in milk on March the 25th. Again, there's a lot we still don't understand about how this virus is behaving in cattle.
Langford still reassures local animal products should remain safe.
But the most important thing to keep in mind is that according to the FDA, there continues to be no concern that the circumstance poses any additional risk to consumer health or that it affects the safety of the commercial.
Three Kings Poultry in Weslaco is a local commercial supplier in the Rio Grande Valley. Daniel Lopez is a poultry farmer, and he says they've tried to stay safe from the bird flu.
We always take the preventive measures, such as disinfecting our boots and shoes before going into the barns, cleaning them out regularly, and always making sure that the chickens have the best quality feed and clean water available to them. It makes an overall healthier bird.
Lopez says local raised chicken eggs should be just as safe, if not safer, than commercial raised chickens.
When you buy from local farmers, you're getting the guarantee that it's going to be a fresh product, because you don't know exactly how long the eggs or beef or whatever kind of product has been sitting in the shelves for. Eggs, they're usually stored for about a month or two before they're actually able to go to the supermarket floors.
The Animal Health Commission says those who raise poultry should report any sick birds. Working for you, I'm Blake Brown.